The private sector investment target set in the budget for 5 financial years has not been met yet. On the contrary, it has decreased. Although various types of tax exemptions, cash incentives, credit facilities continue during this period to increase the private investment. However, industrialists have said that even 20 to 30% of the target is not met yet. High corporate taxes, frequent changes in policy framework, and corruption of revenue officials make business costs high, and investment is not increasing in the current financial year 2023 and 2024. The private sector investment target has been set at 27.4% of GDP. A joint study by the business body of MCCI and private research firm Policy Exchange said, despite modernization of infrastructure, automation of government services, policy reforms, Bangladesh is lagging behind in business-friendly index.
নগদে 500 টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।